The big day is finally here.
well, everything's here. Everything's put together. It's in place. Ready to use, right? No. Couple things. First up, air regulator. I can't currently provide the air that is necessary to operate this thing because it comes with a non-standard nipple. Get your laps in now. It's an Asian nipple. I knew this going in. It's been pointed out in lots of other videos that this is an issue. The problem is nobody has actually taken the time to figure out what the fitting is. If they have, nobody has posted the information. Most people just jam a 1/4-inch NPT nipple fitting in there because the threads are similar. Some people have run a tap through there, basically destroying the mounting block if you just no way to go back. I figured it out, but I couldn't do that until I got the machine in place and I had the nipple in my hand. I figured out it is SAE O-ring boss, ORB. It's a -4, which is similar to a 1/4-inch. Nice thing is I could get a ORB to NPT adapter and it will be good. It's only $2. $10 shipping. So, I mean, all in all, $12 is a lot less than replacing the entire regulator and oiler. So, but it's not going to be here for a few days. So, at this point, I'm stuck waiting. Until that comes, I'm going to leave the cover off the side so that I have access to all the airlines inside. Want to check, make sure there's no leaks. But overall, I don't really have too many complaints. It came quickly. The price is fair. It's a solid unit. There's only a couple things I would really ding this on. Number one, it's supposed to come with, in the accessories, lube. My container's empty. Another thing, since I have the bead blast machine, I have the bead blast function on my machine, this back pillar is actually an air vessel. So it's got a pressure gauge over here on the side, which is directly behind this stop. So if you're standing in front of the machine using it, you have it kind of not a great spot. We'll figure out a workaround for that. And then I don't know if I'm super excited about the hose that came with it for filling the tires, because it's kind of stiff. I don't have a lot of faith in it. I would normally just say, hey, I'll replace it, but go back to the aforementioned non-standard fittings on the air regulator. I guarantee it's going to be a similar ordeal over here. So I guess that's just something that we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Over to the balancer. Not really much to do at this point. I don't have any new tires or wheels to balance until I get this machine up and running. Plus, I need to pick up a new 15-inch wheel and tire to use for calibration. That will basically be a dedicated wheel that will always just be for calibration. I'll probably just pick up a cheap trailer tire and wheel combo. You can find them for about 60, 70 bucks. It should be good enough. But again, I'm in no rush because until I get the air sorted out here, that's pretty much it. So thanks, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as it'll really help my channel. Best part is, it's absolutely free. Also, ring that bell for notifications of new videos. There's a lot coming, and I'd hate for you to miss out.